This week in LeTip of Dallas, we are featuring two of our newest members. Well, really three, and here's why. Our tip master, Brandon Cronkite, is targeting members who are new and have not put dollars in their pocket. This past week, he has targeted J.P. Pronail of Alliance Restoration, our remodeling contractor. What our membership must do is market his services in order to find him business. Otherwise, members will pay him for not finding him business. Our showboater this week is another new member, Suzanne Johns of Only Luxury Estates Dallas. She is our realtor and she will be showboating luxury real estate investments. From Suzanne's own website, she says, Only Luxury Estates Dallas provides a VIP, first-class experience to all clients, serving a concierge-level role in the home purchasing and selling process. Whether you simply need assistance in beginning your search for your dream home, or you need to catch a flight from out of state to view a property, Only Luxury Estates Dallas facilitates your every want and need. From picking up the phone every time you call with questions about Dallas neighborhoods, to booking private cars to bring you from one location to the next, Only Luxury Estates is available to help. Our greeter this week is Trish Littlejohn of Pronail Roofing and Solar. Last week, she showed us sampled literature and roofing products. This week, she will be greeting both guests and members as they come in. Our speaker this week is Nathan Valentine of Valentine Automotive. A couple weeks ago, he showboated how he creates easy-to-understand invoices. This week, he'll speak about how a concierge-style service can add value to the consumer in ways that dealership and big box repair services can't. Join us each week at Sherlocks Baker Street Pub in Addison, Texas. Our networking begins at 11:30, though many come earlier than that. Bring plenty of business cards to hand out, and be prepared to give a 10-second introduction about yourself, plus a 30-second commercial about your business. We want to show you why we believe in putting dollars in your pocket.